Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra with another reading passage. It's all about building confidence in kids. Is like giving them wings to fly. Let's get it started. These are some bullet points which I have created to start my reading and understanding for my students and listeners. These are some points which I have made over here. Praise efforts, not just results. Take risk and try new things. Learn from mistakes, be kind to yourself. Show love and support. Set clear boundaries. Encourage independency. Happy parent makes happy kids. Now let's go and check it what it says inside. How to raise confidence in children? The most commonly question that is, being asked from parents and teachers. Let's learn together. Praise efforts, not just results. Focus on praising your efforts, not just for your results. This helps you develop a growth of mindset. Confidence is how a child feels about themselves. It's believing in their abilities, knowing they are loved, and feeling proud of who they are. Take risk and try new things. Trying new things helps build confidence and discover new talents. I'm going to tell you things that you can try. For example, role play activity. You can set some goals. You can provide some little opportunities like art and craft activities, like sports, likewise outdoor games to build their confidence. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are okay. They help you learn and grow. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, little girl. It's okay to make mistakes, but the plus point is you have to learn from it. You have to just learn and not to repeat. This is the goal. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion. You are awesome just the way you are. That is very important. Positive self talk. Teach them to be kind to themselves. I'm proud of myself. I can do this. I can learn English. I can have a command on English. I can speak like a native speaker. There is nothing like that which I cannot accomplish. Positive affirmations always lead to better result, and this is true. Show love and support. This is really good that you have to show love and support to everyone around you. Show your child love, support, and encouragement. It is the best way to build confidence. And students and listeners, this is very important. Then showing love and respect and also support. That is the gateway to build confidence in your child. Set clear boundaries. Set clear boundaries and expectations. It helps your child feel safe and confident. Encourage independence. Encourage your child to take ownership of their decisions and actions. It's a great way to build confidence. Let me just hold a pause here and give you some example. Independence is all about that little taking decisions. Let them decide what they want to wear. Let them decide what they want to eat. Let them decide to whom they want to talk and to whom they don't want to talk. To whom they feel safe and to whom they don't feel safe around. It's their decision and it should be their decision. If you are okay with that person, maybe they are not okay with that person. If you are okay to go there, maybe they are not okay to go there. Independency, if you want, they also want. It's a high time, parent, that we have to set some boundaries and give the independence to our child. Happy parents create confident kids, and that's the moral of my reading to the today's topic. Set some good role models, show them what confidence look like by being happy, being positive, and create the good environment around them. Hope that you like this video. Hope that you have understood what I am trying to say. Hope that this message of mine is spreading so much that you are absorbing these things from your teacher, Miss Bushra. Stay tuned, stay connected, and let's explore the language. Let's explore the learner language and learning into the shape of today's generation. Let's explore the new world together. Be happy, stay connected, take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.